Hello everyone, in this tutorial, hopefully my mic is better. I switched to a new one, so in this tutorial I just want to show you some basic shooting in Unity. So let's just go straight into it. Let's create a ground plane. Let's again set it to 100. Let's create a new material called red, for example, or any other color, or any other name, sorry. And now let's create a player or whatever. Capsule. There we go. Now let's create a script called shoot. There we go, new script. Now let's create another object. It's gonna be our target. There we go. Now let's another script called health. There we go. For the health one, we just want to go in here and just add a new void called public void take damage. There we go, and then we're gonna say public float health, and we're just gonna say health minus equal, and then we're gonna say float damage, and we're gonna say health minus equal damage. There we go. That's it for the health script. We don't need it anymore. But let's just quickly assign. No, sorry, assign. Sorry, just set this setting to 100. So first off, let's go open the shoot script. So there are two ways. Number one is a raycast, and number two is instantiating an object. I will do the raycast because it takes less resources, but and it might be pretty much as realistic as the shooting object because you can add a muzzle flash, for example. So first off, let's just say public float damage. So the damage that we're gonna, we're shooting, and it takes up a certain damage. So now let's go say here void update. So first off, I want to draw a ray. So like I want to see where it is going. So I want to see where is the forward of my object because like sometimes there will be bugs where you think this is, for example, this is the forward you're shooting, and it's not shooting even though it's the distance. Oh yeah, also we need to add public float distance. There we go. So and you think this is the forward and it's shooting a ray, but it's not shooting, and you're just very confused. So you always want to draw the rays. So simple color dots green. It's usually I usually do this when it hits something, and if it doesn't, then I do color dot red. So right here. And oh no, I forgot to move the camera. We want to move the camera somewhere like here. Wait, what? Where is it? Oh. There we go. Okay, there we go. So capsule. Okay, shoot. There we go. And yeah, we should draw a ray. And yeah, I know why this doesn't draw a ray. It doesn't show up because, again, we don't have gizmos on. So what is gizmos? It toggles visibility of all gizmos on the scene view. Now, I don't know what that means, but basically just all lights and stuff, and And yeah, there we go. We see our little ray right here. So we know that that's not actually the forward. So to do the forward, we want our cube to actually be like right here. So we actually drag it up here like this. Nice. So now that we know where the forward is, we just want to cut this, and we just want to say if input dot get key down key code dot the mouse 0. There we go. Now right here we just always want to say raycast hit. So what this basically is it just, you know, it just basically documents the point where we hit, and you can access, you know, transform all the different components of the object that we hit. So it's very neat. So now we say if physics dot raycast, and we say we first need our position. So we need transform dot position, transform dot forward, that's our direction, out hit. We just take the hit parameter and we want a distance. So for example, and we just say hit distance. There we go. Now we want to say hit dot get hit dot transform dot get component health minus health dot what was it called again? Dot health. Wow. Health dot health. Health dot health. No, health dot take damage. So what this does is we get the component of the script health, and then we call this function, and the parameter is damage, and then we just input the parameter. So there we go. Now we want to set our distance to something appropriate. So for example, damage will be like 20, distance will be like also 20. So you know, oops, yeah, you know, again, good practice to draw the ray. So debug.draw ray transform.position transform.forward distance color dot green. No, I think it's supposed to be like this. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. Good. And then if we didn't, let me just say debug draw ray color dot red. There we go. So I like to do it this way personally. Don't know about you. I like to do it this way. So there we go. And oh, why is our distance so short? Oh, sorry. Damage 20, distance 20. There we go. Okay. Now let's just see. Oh, why is it? That's so weird. Anyway. But we know it's red. There we go, see? It's working now. See? So that's basically it. So you know, we have a thing. It's, you know, not exactly lined up forward, so drag it. Yep, there we go. So that was like the easiest character controller ever. Thanks for, character control, shooting ever. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to, I don't know, like, maybe subscribe if you want to. See ya.